What's up everyone? Something a little bit different today. Big Bert, Tasmania in Darwin. Hopefully we get to show you around a bit. I'm here for work, but all work and no play makes for a dull boy. So we'll see what we can have a look around. But it's nearly 1 o'clock. It's nearly 2 o'clock. I've had enough. I'm off to bed. See you tomorrow. So we're in Darwin. I've just been down and had some breakfast. Just waiting now. I've got to meet the guys in the foyer, head down to go to the conference that I'm here to do. So I'll go and do the work that I'm actually here to do, and then I'll be back in touch with you guys, and we'll have a look around the place. The climate up here is fantastic. Coming from Tassie, let me give you the news. Alright, I'll go and do the work and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers. So it's day 2. Let's go and get this job done so we can get out of here and have a look around the Northern Territory. Got to be done. Talk to you soon. The work is done, and what do? Once you finish work and you ride a Harley Davidson, you head off to the local Harley dealer, get yourself a t-shirt. Let's see you out there. Well, here we go, Darwin Hidden Valley Harley Davidson. So I'm just across the road from the hotel where I'm staying, and I've found one of the oil storage tunnels. These were built following the February 1942 era on Darwin. So let's just go up in the bush here and have a little look. You can't see, the bush is so dense here just across the road. I don't know whether you can see that in there or not. They actually do tours a little bit further along, so they've done a couple up so that they can, people can go and have a look. I might try and do that later on today. Sorry about the crap sound, guys, but what I was trying to say, and you couldn't hear over the fans underground, was that following the bombing on the 9th of February 1942, they decided that they needed to hide the oil supplies underground, so they dug a series of tunnels in under Darwin and hid the oil there. The tunnels went for nearly 200 metres long, so they were holding quite a bit that was not available for the Japanese to see and bomb, and it worked quite effectively. We headed off to the Mindil markets and watched the fighter planes come in from the war games that were happening out off the coast. I had a crack at a roadkill burger and tried a bit of crocodile, and then got to witness a very unspectacular sunset because it was very cloudy. Johnny boy, if you're listening, it's our chariot today. Toyota Prado. That crackling that you can hear, I don't know whether you can see it or not, there's a fire, there's a controlled fire burn on right over my shoulder. It's coming this way, so we might move on before we get curled up in it. Cheers. I'm going to have a swim under that waterfall. That one's right there. because have a look at what we've got to climb up to get back to the car. Got the ladder climbing. Worth the walk down there.
Okay, great, thanks.
Yes, made it. Whew. So I've come all the way to the Northern Territory, and guess what? It's raining up here. Good old Tasmania, the drought breakers they call us. Well, apparently in the Northern Territory they don't have the public drinking laws, so we're just wandering around the rock pools taking a couple of cans round. So this is living the dream. Cheers. Well, what an awesome day, an awesome 3 or 4 days we've had up here in Darwin. Busy with work, and then the day today at the National Park, absolutely fantastic. So I'm just packing up now, got a very early flight in the morning, back to Tassie, back to reality, back to the cold. I'm a new fan of Darwin, I love it up here. Climate's fantastic, people are friendly, I've had a ball. But it is what it is. Thank you, Darwin. I've had an absolute blast. So if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. Come and visit Darwin, because it's bloody awesome up here. I need to come back because I didn't get a fishing trip in as I'd have liked to have done, so I will need to return. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you like the content, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.